Hi, welcome to iPent. This video is a quick preview of our course on reliability program in aircraft maintenance. Use this video as a reference, and if it resonates with you, you can directly enroll for the reliability program in aircraft maintenance by visiting the link given in the description box. You can also contact us via the email and contact number that is mentioned on the screen for customized discounts and to inquire about corporate trainings. Hope you will like this preview.
Hello, are you excited for this training? Here we will learn about the Aircraft Reliability Program and will cover 8 key areas to gain impactful knowledge which can be applied at your workplace. The first one is the introduction of Aircraft Reliability Program. The second is the reliability impact on aviation business. The third is reliability process, approach and classification. The fourth is the alert-based reliability model and formulation. The fifth is event-based reliability model and formulation. The sixth is the trend-based reliability model and formulation. The seventh one is aircraft reliability report preparation and distribution. The eighth, or the last one, is aircraft reliability management. Let us kick off our training on the Aircraft Reliability Program. In this session, we'll start with an introduction to aircraft maintenance reliability and explore its significance in aviation. We'll also dive into the key benefits of a reliability program for airlines and aircraft operators. So, let's get started. Let us understand the Aircraft Maintenance Reliability Program. Reliability Program is an essential function within the continuing airworthiness framework with a key focus on 2 vital areas. The first one is to ensure the cost-effectiveness of aircraft maintenance. The second one is to ensure the effectiveness of the Aircraft Maintenance Program, AMP. Let's discuss the reliability benefits to the airline or operator. Reliability program is one of the key essentials from an aircraft maintenance perspective and provides various benefits to an airline or aircraft operator. The first one is the quality and safety aspect. It helps to achieve airline services with the highest standards. The second one is the brand reputation aspect. It helps to ensure reliable airline service, boosting customer confidence. The third one is the return on investment. Analytics-based approach helps to lower maintenance expenses. Such significant benefits mandate to implement reliability program within aircraft maintenance industry and well respected. Thank you for your attention. That brings us to the end of this topic. I hope you have a better understanding of it, and we will now look at some additional information.